Hi everyone, let's crochet this beautiful flower which is completely beginner friendly. If you know how to make chains and single crochet, you are good to go. So without further ado, let's get started. All you need to make this flower is yarn. I'm taking cotton yarn. You can go ahead and make it with acrylic yarn as well. This is 100% cotton weight 3 lightweight yarn. So you can use any yarn of any weight, just make sure to use the appropriate hook. So for this tutorial I am taking 3.5 millimeter crochet hook and a scissor. We will first start with this color yarn. As this is a beginner friendly tutorial, I'm not making magic ring, so we will start with a regular slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this. This end should be towards your right hand side. Take this end, twist it once. You can see a nice X shape here and then fold it. Now this is the tail and this is the working yarn. Slowly take the working yarn outside by holding the tail. Once you have your slip knot, make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After making 6 chains, we will slip stitch in the first chain. So this is the first chain we made. So inside that we will slip stitch. Don't twist your chains. So insert here, grab a loop and make a slip stitch. Now we have a circle here. Inside this circle we will make 12 single crochet. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, make your first single crochet, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11 and 12. After making 12 single crochet, we will slip stitch on top of the first single crochet we made. Yarn over, pull up a loop and make a slip stitch. And now pull the tail to close the loop. After that, we will change the color now. Grab the other color and now make 15 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. After making 15 chains, we will trim this yellow yarn. You can see this is the yellow and this is the new color. So we will tie a permanent knot to secure them. make a permanent knot. Now, after making 15 chains, we will slip stitch in the next chain gap. So here, hide this tail while you work, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a slip stitch. Again we will make 15 chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After making 15 chains, we will slip stitch in the next chain gap here. Again we will make 15 chains. After making 15 chains, we will slip stitch in the next chain here. So insert your hook and make a slip stitch. So keep repeating the same. Make 15 chains and slip stitch here. Again make 15 chain here and then slip stitch here. Keep repeating the same. I'll meet you at the end of this row. After making the last 15 chain, we will slip stitch where we started here. And make a slip stitch. After that, we will chain 1 and cut the yarn. Slowly remove the yarn to secure your work. You can tie these two ends and trim out the excess yarn. So tie them together with a permanent knot. And then just trim the excess yarn. So this is how the finished flower will look like. You can use in different ways. Use your creativity and you can use this flower in different ways. I specially made a video on how you can use this as your headband. So I'll leave the link in the iCard above here. You can go and check. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.